Alpine Movers. Leading movers and packers in Dubai. Are you looking to get in touch with someone for relocation? You are just around the corner to access the best movers and packers in Dubai. Before finalizing the company for packing and moving services, you should know about the company deeply. Alpine Movers is always here with multiple services for the relocation process. The task will be done quickly, along with a quality guarantee. The only reason for our success is a dedication to our work. We do not leave a single step while completing the work of our client. It is because the success and satisfaction of our clients are actually ours. So, we do not think to provide unprofessional outcomes to our clients. Why choose Alpine Movers? Guaranteed work. Being the best movers company in Dubai, we guaranteed our work. Every action from our team is the only responsibility of Alpine Movers. We serve you under every condition and keep our work fantastic. Experienced team. Every member of our team has more than 5 years of experience in the field. We know what to do, how to do it, and how to care about our client's property. Our professional staff will be alert to you at any time. Flexible packages. Alpine Movers is the best but has flexible price packages too. You can choose your desired package and find it reasonable compared to other companies with the same package of services.